Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Korean Chijimi crispy pancake. A healthy food and cheaper and easy to cook. Hey guys! Welcome again to my channel. And this is Chef Gracia. And let it start cooking. We're gonna create a batter with a 300 ml of water, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of miso paste or soybean paste, and mix it well thoroughly. And let it cool for about 5 minutes. For our vegetables, cut and slice our green onions and Chinese leaves for about 2 to 3 inches and prepare the dried shrimp. And for the dry ingredients, we need 120 grams of flour and 80 grams of cornstarch and pinch of salt and pepper. And mix it well. Now we're gonna combine the butter and dried ingredients and mix it thoroughly until it turns to pancake batter. And finally, add your vegetables and dried shrimps and mix it well until well coated enough the batter. And don't forget to add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Heat your fry pan on a medium heat, then add vegetable oil in a small amount. And now, put our vegetable batter into the fry pan and spread it out evenly. And let it cook this for 2 to 3 minutes. And now, flip the pancakes over and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. And for the optional, we will make cheese toppings. Let's do it the same procedure. Then add the shredded cheese on the top of the pancakes. Flip the pancakes over and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. And fry it until it's golden brown. Ready to serve. For our dipping sauce, let it makes it simple and easy. Combine the 2 tablespoons of Pond's soy sauce and ground red chili pepper. Ready to serve with dipping sauce. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share and subscribe in my channels and click the notification for more coming videos. Thank you for watching.